The National Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Lewis County, southeastern Oswego County, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southwest of High Market to near Central Square, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Central Square, Redfield, High Market, Constantia, West Monroe, Williamstown, Lionsdale, Grieg, Cleveland, and Port Leyden. This includes Interstate 81 near Exit 32. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Of High Market.